Hi there. In this video, I will be learning how to program a logic that will calculate how many hours are there in a week, and it will be in Python. A very simple one, but I'm learning Python. I will open my IDE, which is PyCharm. Okay, I've created a folder which I named hours in week. You can see this, I can see it here. So then this will not be a graphical interface program. It will be a command line program, or rather a text-based interface program. Just a simple one. Let me go for it. First, let me create a file in this folder. Just a minute. Go back. Yeah. Create a new Python file, which I will call. Let me just call it the same name. Hours in a week. Enter. So I got my Py file created here. Then yeah, there are 24 hours in a day and 7 days a week. That is known. First I will create two variables. That is we called hours in a day, and assign the value 24, and then second variable the day is in a week with 7. So declaring a variable like this makes it more readable. Yeah, a variable is a container for values, and it is a name you can give an object. So each value here is an object. And yeah, after defining these variables, I would like to print it. I will use a print function which comes as default from Python. This is print. It's already showing me. Then the hours in the day times, something. This should be days. It should be days in a week. It should be days, not. I misspelled it here. Just a minute. Should be days, and here is supposed to be. I have to put underscore here, so it's looking nice. Then if I go back, so now is the week, correct, times this new week. So now yeah, just a simple one. The program is written, and in PyCharm there are two ways which I find out you can two ways I can execute this program. The first one is here with this green arrow, here, this one, or through the terminal here. But first of all, let me execute it with this symbol here. If I click run, you see the result showing me error 168, and I can even make it look a little bit more readable here, but that's not my goal. Just creating this program just to see how it works. Okay, and if I try to execute it through the terminal, I can do it. I think right on, let me say 3.9. I think I have 3.9. Yeah, correct. 10 hours was in week. What will be the pi? Will it work? What's going on? Maybe we just use yeah, there's no need to put the version there, just you can see. So I've got my program. That is it. Please support me if you're encouraging me. I'm just trying to learn most of these things. Thanks.